to like a pencil, and this is a true fine tip. You'll see, let me open it up to show you. This is a fine tip here. See? And it's liquid, and you shake it, listen. Hear that? So I was bold and crazy on Saturday night, and I decided to use it. I'm so bad at doing my makeup on the lives, but because I end up getting it all over. But what I did here, I put it right on my lash line. And I have it on already. Do you see how it like kind of defines my eyes a little bit? It's so pretty. I'm also now, I used to wear a lot of black eyeliner. And I look back and I say, what a mistake that was. The dark browns for me are much less intense and harsh. And I just think that you get the benefits of a true black, jet black, without being, it's just, black eyeliner is really hard to pull off. And I used to only buy black eyeliner, and now I'm like, I want something that's like that's almost black. I don't like brown, if this makes sense. I don't like brown. I like almost black brown. Okay, so the first one I showed you was Liquid in dark brown, and now I'm gonna show you Damsel dark brown, and this is just like this smudge, again, waterproof, wear all day kind of thing. And this is a more traditional tip here, and you just push it out and pull it back in, which is nice. So you don't have to deal with the, sharpening tools or anything. It's just up it goes, down it goes. It's very, very simple. And it's a nice liquid. So this one you could get away with, this one is great. You know where I used it? I lined my eyes with it underneath. All the stila is also cruelty-free, which I love. I'm really, 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 I don't think I have anything really in my makeup bag anymore that's not cruelty-free. I just find it to be like, it's just, you don't have to, this is premium beauty. And even Pacifica Beauty they're not technically classified under Amazon as a premium beauty brand. Stila is. But they're all cruelty-free. So it's really where things are going. Now, in this smudge stick, look how many they sent me. I have